Assalamu alaikum. Error 500. If you worked with Exchange Server 2016, you may sometime come up with error 500. In today's video, we will see how to resolve this error. With just 3 commands, we can solve the problem. Let's go to our virtual lab. We have opened our Exchange server. First, we are trying to log in to Exchange Admin Center. Continue to this website. Trying to sign in. Putting the password. HTTP 500 internal server error. This error, HTTP 500 internal server error, means that the website you are visiting had a server problem which prevented the web page from displaying. Let's solve the error. Open Exchange Management Shell. It's taking some time. It is connecting to exchange.hasib.com. My server is hasib.com. This is our domain. Let's wait some times to connect it to exchange.hasib.com. If it's not connected, then the problem is somewhere else. We are trying to resolve the error 500. It is connecting. Let's wait a while. While it's connecting, we can clear our browser history and cookies. Delete. Close the browser and you can reopen the Exchange Admin Center in this browser. Continue to this website. Signing in. Trying to sign in again. You have typed the wrong username. Same error. We have to wait for connecting. Already connected to exchange.hasib.com. Now we will use 3 commands to resolve the HTTP error. First, copy the command to change the ECP virtual directory. First command, just copy it and paste it into management shell. Click enter. It will take some time. It depends on your server health. For this configuration changes to take effect, you must restart IIS service. That means we have to restart IIS service. Let's restart the IIS service. Net start W3 SBC. The requested service has already been started. IIS already started. Copy the second command. To change the OWA virtual directory, paste it and enter. You can find both commands in our video description. We will use a third command, IIS reset. The spelling was RESET. Attempting to stop. We have to wait again. It is taking some time. Just wait to reset our IIS service. The process is going on. Internet services successfully stopped and internet services successfully restarted. The process is done. Let's see if I can log in to Exchange Admin Center. First, you can just refresh the browser. If it doesn't respond, just reopen the browser, close the browser and again open it. Continue to this website. Today the server is taking more time to respond. Waiting for localhost. Finally, we have logged in Exchange Admin Center. The mailbox has been opened. If you follow these steps, the error will be gone. The simple 3 commands make the error go. The first command is used for ECP virtual directory and second is for OWA virtual directory and finally IIS reset. We can sign out and log in again. Opening again the Exchange Admin Center. https localhost ECP. Waiting for localhost. Continue to this website. The mailbox has been opened again. Thank you all for being with us.